ISRO's Bharatiya Docking System Mission, SPARDEX. The Indian Space Research Organization is all set to launch the SPARDEX or the Space Docking Experiment mission tonight. Aimed at achieving a historic space docking feat, SPARDEX will lift off aboard the PSLV C-60 rocket at 10:15 p.m. from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. The Bharatiya Docking System mission aims to dock 2 satellites in space, a challenge only mastered by the US, Russia, and China so far. So, what will the mission entail? Think of the PSLV as a super powerful bus that takes things to space. On Monday, this rocket will carry 2 small satellites, each weighing 220 kilograms, called Chaser, aka STX-01, and Target, aka STX-02, up to space. When the PSLV gets high enough, it will let the satellites go, similar to when you toss up a ball and it starts coming back down. Now that the 2 satellites are in the Earth's orbit, they will be in the same neighborhood, but not close enough to touch. The Chaser satellite is like a little spaceship trying to catch up to its buddy, the Target satellite. It will use small jets to move closer to it, starting from about 20 kilometers away. After catching up to the Target satellite, Chaser will carefully dock with it. It will be like the 2 satellites are holding hands in space. They will then use special parts called docking ports to connect so that they don't drift apart in space. Once they are connected, the satellites will do some fun tests. They will share electricity to see if they can power each other up. One satellite will then use a tiny robotic arm to move around like a space robo, practicing tricks. Another robotic arm will then try to grab pretend space junk to see if it can clean up messy things floating around in space. After all the tests are done, the satellites will then let go of each other and start working on their own experiments. Chaser and Target will keep floating and testing things in space for over 2 years. Why are these tests important for India? The holding hands test, called docking, is the most important because one day India might build a space station where astronauts will live, and docking is how parts of the space station will come together. For a moon mission, astronauts or moon samples might need to dock with another spacecraft to come back to Earth. So the SPARDEX mission is like practice for bigger, more exciting space adventures in the future.